Welcome to Food Web. A food web shows how plants and animals are connected through different feeding relationships. It is made up of many linked food chain producers plants. From the base, primary consumers eat herbivorous, eat plants, and secondary consumers eat herbivorous, and tertiary consumers are top predators. Decomposers like bacteria and fungi break down dead plants and animals. Energy flows from the plants, animals. A food web also shows the animals can have more than one food source. Thank you.
An aquatic food web shows how energy moves between living organisms in water. It begins with producers like phytoplankton and algae. Small animals such as zooplankton eat these producers. Small fishes feed on zooplankton, while bigger fishes eat smaller fishes. Top predators like shark, whales, dolphin, and seabird have few or no natural enemies. Thank you.
Welcome to Desert Food Chain. This is a model of desert food chain. Here, cactus is eaten by rat, rat is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle. Thank you.
Welcome to the forest food chain. In forest, we can see that the plants are eaten by deer and the deer is eaten by lion, and when lion dies and decomposes, it will be eaten by vulture. Thank you. Welcome to the grasslands of food chain. I will show you the food chain of grassland, where grass will be eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper are eaten by frog, frog are eaten by snake, and snakes are eaten by eagle. Thank you.
A food chain illustrates the movement of energy and nutrients in a single path from one living thing to another. The diagram features grass topic level, a producer grass, a primary consumer grasshopper, a secondary consumer snake, and a tertiary consumer snake, an apex producer owl and decomposer mushroom. Thank you.
Plant kingdom. Let me introduce you to plant kingdom. I have many types. These are some of my types. Creepers, climbers and runners. Another type of me is herbs. Now shrubs. And the biggest version of me is tree. I increase beauty and provide food for bees and butterflies. I am also used in traditional medicine. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sunflower. I have zinc, selenium in me. I am a beauty with brain. I reduce cholesterol and provide skin and brain functions. Hello, I'm Marigold. Gold and yellow are my colors and I am used in decoration and pujas, but some call me holy. And I also have many benefits. I reduce your sunburns, wounds, acne and protect your eyes from UV rays. Thank you.
Daisy. Hello, I am an English Daisy. I am very beautiful and help for your digestion.
I'm Rose. I reduce menstrual cramps. I improve digestion and I'm used in all sort of beauty products because I'm a symbol of beauty. People present me to each other. Sometimes I bloom in their heart, remaining time in their diaries.
Hello, I am a tree bark. I protect trees from weather, insects, and fire while wearing a greatly in texture and colors across spices. My friend cinnamon enhances your biryani taste and reduce your heart issues and also your cholesterol level. Thank you.
Let us learn about climbers, creepers, and runners. All these are the type of plants classified by weak stems that are unable to support their own upright weight. Climbers are plants that ascend growth with support. Creepers are plants that spread horizontally on ground. Runners, these plants produce elongated horizontal stones called stolons. They grow above the ground and give rise to new independent plants. Thank you.
I am a bitterness. All grannies love, not only love. I have become the parts of the life because they know my benefit. I reduce respiratory issues, improve indigestion, I remove bad breath. I also help your skin and hair health.
Coriander. I am a hub. Hi, I am a coriander. I have both seed and leaf. I give you much benefit as aiding digestion, controlling blood sugar, boosting heart health by improving cholesterol and lowering blood pressure. I have vitamin C, K, A, mineral, fiber and antioxidant. I increase your bone strength, immunity and detoxification. मैं हूँ है ना मुझे लोग मेहंदी भी बुलाते हैं मैं लड़कियों के हाथों को रंग कर उन्हें खूबसूरत बनाती हूँ और बूढ़ों के बालों को रंग कर उन्हें जवान भी बनाती हूँ अगर मुझे अपने बालों में लगा तो सीधी स्मूथ और शाइनी बनाती हूँ ನಾನು ತುಳಸಿ ನಾನು ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಜ್ವರ ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಹೃದಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸುಧಾರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಉಳಿಸಿ Fenugreek, I'm a herb too. Hello, eat me please. I will control your blood sugar and cholesterol. I can also reduce menstrual cramp. I make your skin and hair healthy and beautiful. But don't take me more. Have fewer seeds as on a day. Thank you. Hi, I am lemongrass. I boost immunity and reduce bloating. Soothes skin, hair, removes dandruff, and also help you in better sleep. Thank you.
Mint leaf. Hi, you meet my friends. Now you know they are also very useful. Even I am useful. I will help in digestion, improve brain function, I smooth skin, and more important, I will give you fresh breath. Thank you.
Selena Khan. My name is Selena Khan. I am studying in UKG. Lemon sing plain water. Lemon floats in salty water. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rina Mariam. I am studying UKG. Colors move up the tissue. The colors mix like a rainbow. Good morning, everyone. My name is Asama. I am studying UKG. I kept water in front of the arrow change direction because water when the like arrow looks reverse. My name is Alia. I put Levi in soda. They dance up and down. Thank you. I I put resin in soda. They dance up and down. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Salina Fedos. I mix baking soda and vinegar. It makes bubbles like a volcano. Good morning, everyone. My name is Atufa Fatima. I mix the baking soda and vinegar. It makes bubbles like a volcano. Honey purity test. Density and solubility. Pure honey settles at the bottom. Diluted honey spreads quickly. Thank you. Why rice water becomes milky? Washing releases starch granules which do not dissolve but stay suspended, then water looks milky. Yes, this nutritious milky liquid is considered good for health and benefits for skin, hair, and digestion. Thank you. Float in lemon and salt on the experiment on the lemon will sneak to the bottom of water because the density in water is less. In another glass, when we pour, mix the salt and the lemon will flow because of the density level is more. Thank you. Hello everyone. We should prefer. Instead of toothpaste, we can use charcoal. Instead of sugar, we can use jaggery. Instead of maida, we can use whole wheat. Instead of white rice, we can use brown rice. Instead of cold drink, we can use tender coconut. Instead of polished dal, we can use unpolished dal. Thank you. Curd contains lactic acid, which generally break down protein bound in meat. This softens muscles fiber. Thank you. It is food pyramid. It has healthy food and unhealthy food. Unhealthy food is junk food. Healthy food is protective food, pulse and bodybuilding food. We should avoid eating junk food because it causes cancer. We should eat protective food, pulse and bodybuilding food. It is good to our health. They are electronic things. It is used in our house to prepare food every day. Example microwave, induction cook pan, non-sticky tawa. We should not use electronic things because it also causes cancer. Think before you drink. We are used to drink every day juices in our house and functions. Example, apple juice contains 15.8 grams of sugar per 100 milliliter. Kappa juice contains 10.6 grams of sugar in per 100 milliliter. Thank you. Raw vegetables and boiled vegetables. Eating raw vegetables offer benefits like improved digestion due to fiber, better heart health with vitamin C, etc. Boiled vegetables are easier to digest, safer by killing microbes, provide minerals and antioxidants. So some veggies are good to eat raw and some are good to eat after boiled. Thank you. Pink salt. Pink salt it has minerals which our body needs. White salt it has iodine which is important to be healthy. So we should prefer both salt which iodine and minerals. Thank you. Bitterness from vegetables. Some vegetable will be bitter. Salt draws water out by osmosis, reducing bitter compound. Salt helps vegetable to draw its bitterness to make it to eat easily. Example: water wa- water draws bitterness from vegetable. Thank you. Caramel process by the heat of the flame, the sugar get dissolved and form caramel. After some time, the caramel becomes harder and harder. Thank you. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a base that need an added acid like butter, milk, vinegar to get structure. Baking powder is a complete leavening system, while baking powder requires an external acid to work. Example like cupcakes added with baking soda and baking powder to get fluffy. Boiling an egg protein denaturation, what happens? When the heat turns the egg white from transparent liquid to solid white cells, egg protein denature and coagulate a chemical change. This helps the egg boil and eat easily. Thank you.
Cell- Solute is the substance that dissolves itself. Example: salt, sugar, and some chemicals. Solvent is the medium in which that dissolves like water. Solution: it is the mixture formed by diluting solute in solid. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Ajmal. I am from 8th year. Today I am going to explain about human skeleton system. This model shows the structure, shape and main bones of the human body. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. It gives shape to our body. It helps us to stand, walk, sit and move. Bones protect organs like skull, ribcage, elbow, knee, shoulder. Muscles attend to the bone and help us move. Shows body posture and movement. Thank you.
Human skeleton system. This system works structure, shapes, and the main parts of the body. Human skeleton system has 206 bones. Example: skull, ribcage, spine. Spine.
Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a small butterfly-shaped gland in the front of the neck. If controls how fast the body uses energy, functions by them. Hypothalamus sends the body need for hormone and release TRS, thyroropin releasing hormone. Pituitary gland responsible for releasing TSS, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid gland uses idle from food to make two horns. Diseases related to thyroid: hypothyroidism, goiter, thyroid nodules.
Working model shows how the human ear helps us to hear the sound. Sound waves from the air enter the ear through the outer ear and reaches the eardrum. The sound then travels through the ear canal and reaches the eardrum, then vibrates. The vibration then moves to the inside the ear three bones: hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These bones make the vibration stronger. The vibration then travels to the cochlea, which is a snail-shaped organ filled with fluid. These fluids moves and creates the signal. These signals are carried to the brain by the auditory nerves. The brain understands the sound. Thank you.
This is the model of human excretory system. Today we are going to see how the excretory system going to work. What is a kidney?
Kidney are two bean-shaped organs that act as natural filters. They clean our blood and remove waste and keep us healthy. Can you explain how kidneys as a filtering machine?
Yes, of course. Renal arteries bring dirty blood, example waste like urea to the kidney. Nephrons, filter units. Each kidneys have millions of nephrons. They clean our blood, remove extra water, so waste like urine and toxins. Urine formation. Leftover waste becomes urine. Ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Urine flows from the kidney to bladder and leaves the body. Common kidney problems and their causes.
Kidney stones,
Drinking less water, high salt intake.
kidney infection,
Untreated urinary infection, drinking less water, poor hygiene.
chronic kidney diseases.
Long term diabetes, high blood pressure. Simple habits to keep our kidney healthy.
Do not hold urine for a long time. Eat a balanced diet, less salt, more fruits and vegetables.
Drink plenty of water. Maintain personal hygiene. Control high blood pressure and blood sugar. Take medicines when prescribed by a doctor. Thank you.
This is our respiratory system. This science model explains the human lungs and how they help us to breathe. Lungs are the main part of the respiratory system and are responsible for taking in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide from our body.
From the nose, air enters the body. Trachea windpipe carries air to the lungs. Supply oxygen to blood. Remove carbon dioxide from our body. Thank you. The human digestive system. The human digestive system helps the body to break down food, absorb nutrients, and remove waste. Mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus. Common digestive diseases: acid reflux, constipation, stomach ulcer, and indigestion. Thank you.
Brain is the control center of our body. It receives messages from our sense organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. Brain is divided into six parts: parietal lobe, occipital lobe, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, spinal cord, and cerebellum. Common brain diseases. Common brain diseases. Strokes. It happens when the blood supply is blocked or a blood vessels break. It can cause weakness. Brain tumor. It is an abnormal growth of cell in our brain. Prevention. Eat healthy food. Get enough sleep. Avoid bad habits.
The human heart is a muscular pump that through the body. The heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The values of heart is atrium, veins, and capillaries. The common heart diseases are hypertension, heart attack, stroke, heart flexure. To prevent heart diseases, healthy lifestyle choices, not mostly heart diseases.
The heart is a muscular organ found in humans and animals. This organ pumps blood through the blood vessels. The heart pumps blood and oxygen, delivers waste, and has four chambers: two atria and two ventricles. The heart is a muscular organ which is situated in the front of our chest. This organ pumps blood through a process called circulation. Thank you.
This is a model of eye. This model shows how the human eye helps us to see the object. Eye was just like a camera. Parts of the eye: cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina, optic nerve. Diseases of eye: myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, color blindness. Prevention and care of the eye: do not rub your eyes with dirty hands. Eat vitamin A rich food like carrots, spinach, papaya, egg, and milk. Maintain proper distance from TV or mobile, at least 30 to 40 centimeter. Thank you.
This model shows the human skin structure. The human skin structure has mainly three layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Epidermis is the topmost layer, it is a waterproof barrier, whereas dermis is the middle layer, it provides with strength and elasticity. Hypodermis is mostly fat, stores energy, and cushions. Common skin diseases: fungal infection, acne, sunburns. Things that you can do to prevent these common skin diseases: hygiene, keeping your nails short, avoid picking at your skin, staying out in the sun without sunscreen for too long will give you sunburns, so you should really avoid it. Thank you.
Liver. Liver is the largest internal organ in our body. It works like a filter, a factory. Its filter blood produce bile and store nutrients. Functions of liver: detoxification, remove poison and chemical from blood. Bile production help digest fats. Metabolism processes protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Storage: store vitamin A, B, D, K, and B12. Thank you.
Tongue. The tongue is the muscular organ in the mouth that helps us to identify different tastes like sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. It helps us to form voices from epiglottis, palatine, tonsil, apex of tongue. Thank you.
This is the model of nose, and this is the part of nose which is called inner nose. The nose is a very important sense organ of our body because it helps us to breathe easily. It will protect us from dust and dirt. When we breathe, the air easily enters to nostrils. It goes inside to the lungs. Diseases: cancer, asthma, dryness of nose, cold. Prevention: keep the habit of washing hands regularly, time to time. Avoid eating more cold things. Stay away from dirty Stay away from smoke, dust, and dirty place. Keep the habit of being hygiene. Thank you.
Exactly. I'm the moon. I know what you are thinking. No, I'm not made up of cheese. I have rocks. I'm actually quite old, about 4.5 billion years old. You often see my only one side? Not because I am shy, because it's because of physics. It takes your sound, so visible only one side. But I can see you full. My greatest achievement, I suppose, the diet. Temperature here are while I go from boiling to hot, freezing to cold in a heartbeat. I barely have an atmosphere. Oh well, you guys are landed here? Well back. It is a heat. You should come back sometimes. I have got water ice near my poles now. Feel free to visit again sometimes. And say hi Neil. I'm strong. Thank you.
Hello, tiny biological. I am Mars, the red Mars. Don't mind the rusty look. It just iron oxide. You call it as rust. I call it as child. I am a bit smaller than your home world and administrative, a bit chill. My average is around 62 degrees Celsius. I have the tallest mountains in solar system, Olympic mounts. Do you want to visit? But remember, I have 95% carbon dioxide. Come with spacesuit. I will be waiting. Bring snacks. Bye. Thank you.
Everyone, welcome to space. We have came here to see the wonder of space. When we come to space, we wear this special suit. This suit helps us to survive in space because here is no oxygen. Do you want to know the food we eat in space? We eat light food packed in magnet, velcro and sealed container. When we are in space, we can't stand and our head will be in a low position. Due to which we lose a lot of health and fluid of our body goes to our head. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is the 3D model of a rocket. A rocket is a vehicle that moves by pushing out of the gas from its back. It is used to send satellite, astronauts and space probes into the space. Launching. At the start, the rocket goes straight up to escape most of the Earth's air and gravity. ascent. After some height, the rocket starts tilting slightly sideways. This helps it enter the orbit instead of falling back to the Earth. Stage separation. The empty first part of the rocket falls off. Fairing separation. The top cover opens and drops once in space. Payload development. The satellite is released into the orbit. Entry 1. Uh, engine fires again to slow the returning rocket. Vertical landing. The rocket lands down slowly, safely for reuse. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Richard. I am studying in grade 2. I am an astronaut. Astronauts travel in rockets and explore outer space. Astronauts see stars, planets, and the moon. Astronauts, 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 astronauts see stars, planets, and the moon. Astronauts, see, astronauts love to discover new things in space. Thank you.
Hello everyone, our topic is space and health. In space, there is no gravity, no pressure, no hospital. So, staying healthy is the biggest challenge of astronauts. In space, blood shift to the head causing a puffy face and vision problem. Astronauts exercise for at least 2 hours daily.
Space health reach not only help astronaut but also help patient on Earth such as in heart diseases and remote healthcare. Thank you.
This is a model of an artificial satellite. The satellite revolves around the Earth and help us in communication, weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and scientific research. They are launched using the rockets and work using the solar energy. The satellite make our everyday life easier by giving us mobile network, internet, TV signals, and weather updates.
Hello, I'm Galileo. Come, I will show you the telescope I invented. Entry narration. This room shows how humans learned to see the universe using telescope from simple tube to today's powerful space observation. Early history. In 1609, I invented the first astronomical telescope and discovered the mountains on moon and moons of Jupiter. This proved that Earth is not the center of the universe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anam Fatima. I am studying in grade 2. I am an astronaut. Astronauts are brave, flying high and finding bright. Astronauts explore space day and night. Thank you.
Welcome. Do you think you're fat? No, you're not fat, but you're on just one planet. Come, I will show your weight on different planets of our universe. Thank you. Suppose on Earth, if you are 23 kg, on Mercury you will be around 8 kg. On Venus you will be around 21 kg. On Mars you will be around 8 kg. On Jupiter you will be around 54 kg. On Saturn you will be around 24 kg. On Uranus you will be around 21 kg. On Neptune you will be around 27 kg. Thank you.
Hello all. Come, I will show you the life cycle of butterfly. This is male butterfly. This is female butterfly. They make a baby butterfly with a process that has four stages. That is egg, which is also called as larva, which turns into pupa, and pupa eggless it into a beautiful butterfly. Let me also tell you how this beautiful insect helps in pollination of flowers. This is male flower When a butterfly sits on a male flower, it picks pollen. When it again sits on a female flower, it drops it there and pollination occurs.
A bar magnet has two poles, north and south, north and south, covered with close poles. North inside the magnetic field lines are covered with that travels from north to south that completes the pulse. Thank you.
This is model of solar bottle bulb. A solar bottle bulb uses sunlight and refraction through water in a plastic bottle to brighten home during the daytime without electricity. It is eco-friendly, low cost, and easy to install, and helps people in areas without power. It is commonly used in slum areas and rural homes and disaster relief shelters and can give light similar to on 40 to 60-watt bulb. It is part of the Litter of the Life project used in many countries. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Umar Hassan and I'm from Great Night. My topic is about hydroelectric dam. Electricity is a form of energy. It is produced by charges. Electricity is generated from electromechanical generators. It is produced from coal, wind, water, etc. Electricity produced by the power of moving water is called hydroelectricity. In a dam, water is collected at a higher elevation. Thank you.
Series circuit. In a series circuit, electric current flows through only one path. All components are connected end to end like a gel. All bulbs share the same amount of electricity passing through them. Series circuit is not used in household wiring because turning off one device would turn off everything. Thank you.
My topic is parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, each bulb has its own separate part to get electricity. All bulbs get the same voltage from the battery or power source. If one bulb fuses, the other bulbs keep glowing because they have their own separate paths. All bulbs glow with the same brightness as long as all are the same type. More bulbs can be added without affecting the others. Thank you.
This is an accelerated model. An accelerator is a moving staircase. The staircase moves at about 30 degrees. There are sailing shopping malls, airport, etc. This cannot carry a large number of people at a time. There will be no waiting intervals. Thank you.
This is a chili cutter. As chilies are difficult to cut, so I made a model of chili cutter. Thank you.
This is a mini cooler. Mini cooler are compact, portable, energy efficient devices using evaporative cooling, ideal for small spaces and eco-friendly. Thank you.
This is automatic IR sensor streetlights. Automatic IR sensor streetlights are designed to detect human presence and automatically turn off the streetlights. This technology helps to conserve energy and reduces light pollution. Thank you.
work on the basic principle that when water is heated, it turns into a steam and expand. These steams create pressure, and the pressure is used to move a, a simple steam engine, where one of the earliest technology they play a major role in transportation and industry. Thank you.
This is the model of hydroelectricity. Electricity is a form of energy and it can be produced from charge. Electricity is generated by hydromechanical generators and it can be produced from wind, water, air, etc.
Electricity provided by the power of moving water is called hydroelectricity. In a dam, water is collected at a higher elevation. The water is then lifted down towards a lower elevation.
The falling water causes of the blade of turbines to rotate. The rotating turbine spinning a generator to produce electricity. Thank you.
This is a steam engine. A simple steam engine works on the basic principle that when water is heated, it turns into a steam and expands. This steam creates a pressure. A pressure is used to move a syringe or wheel. Thank you.
This is electricity of tower and blade and piston and bridge and car and electricity generated. Thank you.
This is working with model of windmill. Windmill will rotate and city will grow. Thank you. This is windmill. Windmill will rotate and city will grow. Thank you.
This is water dispenser. It provides clean and safe drinking water. It is designed to supply purified or filtered water. Thank you.
Buzzer oil game. The bend oil we test the buzzer wheel on and light wheel on. This is the eco-friendly game. Thank you.
My name is Afia Taslim. I'm from ninth standard. My model name is Carbon Purifier. The model shows how impurities are removed from carbon to make it pure. It demonstrates the filtration process where dirty carbon is passed to layers to clean it. Activated carbon is used because it has tiny pores that trap dust particles, chemicals, and impurities. This model explains how carbon becomes a powerful purifier for water and air. Thank you.
Spectrum of light. Spectrum of light. Spectrum of light means the range of colors provided. Good morning. My name is Shufia. I am from ninth standard. Spectrum of light. Spectrum of light means the range of colors provided when white light is spread. It is usually seen in a rainbow. The main color spectrum are violet, indigo, red, blue, green, yellow, orange. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Muhammad Ayan Pasha. My model is a handmade power generator. It is a small working model that shows how mechanical energy can be changed into electrical energy. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction discovered by Michael Faraday. When a coil of wire rotates near a magnet, electricity is produced. It is a renewable energy model because it can be powered by hand, no fuel needed. Even a small rotation of a coil near because it can powered by hand, no fuel needed. Even a small rotation of a coil produces enough energy to glow an LED. The model teaches concepts of electrical generation, magnetism, and motion. The generator is eco-friendly and energy recycling of simple materials. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Zaid. I am from grade 9. Today I am going to explain river water cleaning. This machine clear the garbage of river. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alana Khanam. I am studying UKG. Lemon sing, plain water. Lemon floats in salty water. बोला जी. Morning, everyone. My name is Aina Malam. I am studying UKG. colors move up the tissue. The colors mix like a rainbow. Everyone, good morning everyone. My name is Asam. Levi in soda. They dance up and down. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Alima Fatih. I am studying in KG. I mix baking soda and vinegar. It makes bubbles like a volcano. Thank you. Baking soda and vinegar. It makes bubbles like a volcano. Thank you. Hello, I am Varkesh Karan, the father of the White River Region in India. I wanted India into the world's largest milk producers. Thank you. I am Sir M. Vishwaraya, a reduced India engineer and chairman. I have built the Masudam. I am Jagdish Chandra Bose, a scientist from Bengal. I introduce wireless communication and explore the secrets of plants. I am M.S. Swaminathan, the father of green elevation of India. I worked high yield wheat and rice varieties. Thank you. I am I am Ratan- I am the, I am I am I am Ratan Tata. I, I believe in innovation and expose the secrets of plants. Thank you. I am I am Vikram Sarabhai, a space scientist and engineer. I founded India Space Program and play a key role establishing ISRO. I am Vargesh Kurin, the father of the White Revolution in India. I wanted India into the world's largest milk producer. I am Aryabhatta, a mathematician. I introduced the concept of zero. I I am yes, M. Vishweswaraya, a award India engineer. The statement I have built the Mysore Dam.
I am C.V. Raman. I have discovered the Raman effect. I got Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930.
I am I, I am APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. I contributed to the space and missile program.
I am Homi J. Baba, a nuclear physicist and the father of India's nuclear program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aisha Anjum. I'm the coordinator of Subhash Memorial English School. Today we are presenting science exhibition. We have not only concentrated on chemistry, physics and biology, but we have also mixed arts with science. Here you can also see how the flowers, the normal shrubs, herbs and creepers, all these things, how it is useful in our daily life when it comes to science. We wanted to include normal lifestyle into the science and this is what we wanted to say. Thank you very much. Mine doesn't pass.